do you think, Al?
Mummy, can I open them?
Let's put this little one out.
Open them.
Christmas tree lights on. Yeah. Oh look, Alfie, look. Look.
Oh.
Don't do that. There's not Edmund.
He has. You left two, didn't you? Yeah, perhaps he was a bit full up because he's got lots of other mince pies to eat at other children's houses.
Oh, but the reindeer's forgotten to eat the carrot.
I think reindeer ate lots of carrot. He drank his drink. Wowee! Right. Come on, I want to go to the toilet. Put your dressing gown on and put
Alf,
Christmas tree lights.
what about all those things?
What?
Something in the corner.
I said a boy doesn't fit in the presents.
Look at that! Is that for you? Do you think?
Yeah.
Wowee! That looks great, doesn't it?
I'm the big boy, so I'm the big boy.
Like George. Yeah.
Like George.
Wowee, Al.
What do you think of your bike then?
Daddy, can you open these
Yes.
things? Okay.
Wait a minute. I want to reread. I want to make sure I can watch it.
Happy birthday, Harry.
Let's see if we need
Hey,